Everybody, this is Dan with Laser Products. Just wanted to go over some of the drawing functions that we have. Today, I just want to show you guys how to draw out a basic island. We're going to take the max depth by the max width, and we're going to draw a rectangle based off of that. I have 24 by 72. This allows us to get the cabinet set. Once we get the cabinets drawn, it's simple enough. We just add our overhangs. So this allows us to basically have a very nice square island to start with. Now, we want to add our 1.5 inches. We'll add some extra overhang on the back. Now we can come in to fill it and either sharp fill it if we want that, or we can come in and do radiuses. Whatever you guys want to do at this point is completely up to you, and obviously where you guys live changes. So once we get the island completely done, we now have a nice square item to be able to install that obviously is not going to follow the cabinets if they are out of square, but it gives us something that's nice and square that's more appealing to the eye.